guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls and the Amazon Q4 merch challenge. So today we will be doing a sales update and showing you guys our progress on how many sales we made and what they were on, and anything else.
That's pretty much it. We're gonna talk what sold, what's working, what's not working. You asked me about when is it time to make money?
Yeah.
We'll answer that question.
Perfect.
But why don't we just start by showing, the dashboard, but you can click into those columns and actually see what sold. So why don't we just do that real quick?
Okay, so you want me to start at the beginning?
Yeah, it looks like Tuesday, 6 days ago, we made that illustrious or elusive, both maybe, first sale. And it looks like we made a sale on a standard t-shirt, the Karen 2020 niche. Pretty generic. I mean, there's so many of those selling on Amazon now, but we just carved out a little piece of the pie for ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
So then what we ended up doing was, first we filled the 25 slots.
Yes.
Right.
Came at the cost of some of my old designs.
Well, once we filled the slots, then the designs that hadn't sold, we've just been replacing them every single day. So there hasn't been a day where we didn't do 2 uploads.
Yeah, so get out there and buy the Brussels shirt, people.
Yes.
It's only going to be on there for so much longer.
The whole point of starting the YouTube channel was to try to drive sales to the
So
Brussels sprout shirt.
Yeah.
Why don't we just pull it up real quick so people know, in case you missed that first
Yeah,
video.
of course. It's too good to not miss.
Which I think has
All of
sold,
mine.
but you said it ended up being you that bought it.
No, I didn't buy this one.
You cooked Brussels sprouts, took pictures
I
just
bought
to make
Brussels
your
sprouts and took pictures. Yep.
just to make your shirt so ugly. Not you, the shirt.
It's not as ugly on gray.
I know, but it's just the slate color. All right, anyways.
Okay. Yes.
So this sold. Go ahead, you drive.
Okay. And then on Thursday we had 2 sales, and both of those again were part of that Karen costume.
So we had the standard shirt, which, by the way, once you've sold one of anything, like you get a BSR, you get, even if it's a slight improvement, you get an improvement in sales rank.
Yeah.
So, if you get one sale, it could lead to more sales. And in this case, we also uploaded to a V-neck. Take notice here. We didn't just stop at standard shirts because, well, actually I did this from experience because I had found this niche and uploaded it doing a live stream on my private Amazon merch group for my students. And then it ended up being the long sleeve shirt that's selling like crazy. And since we're getting closer and closer to the Halloween sales kind of trickling down, I probably sold like 15 before I upped the price.
Yeah.
And then now I'm making like $3 a pop, selling the long sleeve at $21.99. So for you, because you're in tier 25, we need to make sure, unfortunately we didn't start this challenge a week earlier because then we could have been in tier 100 now. But yeah, we still need, I think we now have enough sales all time. We have 17. So we should catch the next tier up.
Yeah. And it didn't really start bugging me until about like 6 sales. I was like, when do I start making money?
Well, yeah, because we had 6 sales yesterday. So
yeah.
All right, we uploaded Boner Donor, which if you guys subscribe to my channel, I do the top 5 niches. These are 2 niches that are just in high demand right now, And like I always tell people,
based on funny movies.
Why go after evergreens when you're trying to just increase your upload slots, Yeah. Like you've got.
Yeah, if you're trying just to increase your upload slots, then yeah.
Yeah, 7 days, 13 sales, 65 cents profit. But once we're in tier 100 or 500, then we can really like aim for profit.
Okay, I know. It's sad.
So on the 17th, we had a standard t-shirt. What was this one? Was this V-neck? Nope, standard. Yesterday, we had 2 V-necks.
Yes.
Pretty good. By the way, the V-neck only comes in female size. So that's just one thing not to overlook. When it comes to like a trending design, by us uploading to a V-neck, we're appealing to a restricted base. Well, because it's only female.
Wider. Yeah.
But it can be to our advantage if less competition uploads to V-necks because, simply put, it's only in a woman's fit. So I'm just guessing that maybe that has something to do with why we got traction there because we weren't exactly early to that niche. And then standard t-shirt, Boner Donor standard. So then we got two Boner Donor sales. And we uploaded this. Remember, you caught the video before this one. What did we do? Merch resize.
Yes, merch resize.
And that allowed us to take the standard t-shirt design.
And automatically uploads the correct design. Well, not
it optimizes it for,
which I love. That makes life so much easier.
Yeah.
I would have done it all manually.
We could have done a video on that, but it would have been, it doesn't have to be long, but it would have been longer than it needed to be.
Yeah. No. Merch resize. I'm a fan.
Yeah, and it led to a sale. So there you go.
Yes.
And I think this might have been one of the ones that actually made money. So, yeah.
Okay.
All right, and then go to today because we have 2 sales today. All right, and we got 2 more V-necks. So there you go. That's why I was thinking like We could potentially increase the price a little bit, because the
Or
Halloween
V-necks.
sales are going to slow down. Like it's the 19th, and I looked yesterday and it said I could have my shirt if I ordered it yesterday by the 23rd.
Yeah, that would make sense.
So then we probably have another actual week of milking the Halloween designs.
I like that.
That's good. So actually, I don't know. Like maybe what we'll do is maybe we'll turn up the profit margins in 7 days.
Only in 7? In 7?
I don't know. I'm just thinking because at that point, like people may even return them because they might get it later than they need it. I don't know. But we want to get to tier 500.
Okay.
Because when you're in tier 500, like we can start
Bigger
crushing.
picture.
Yeah, we can start like making like actual recurring daily sales, and not have to like break our backs chasing trends every day.
Cool.
But yeah, to catch up, I mean, what we've been doing is we open up the Manage tab. We've just been deleting some of those Halloween designs. Not that they weren't good designs. Actually, I guess they don't show up because we actually deleted them. But you can see we went after this other trend. I have plans in the garage. Just did like a standard vintage
we haven't
color
made any
scheme.
sales in that.
Yeah, we might have been a little late. I don't know exactly. If I don't understand the trend, then like I don't really get it. If it was a flash in the pan. But we did variations of the Karen Speak to Manager. And the small name tag caught on, the other one didn't. We have the text only. And by the way, the flat earth design was not me. But I'm surprised Amazon
It could have been.
It could have been, but I'm surprised Amazon even let that one on. I wouldn't even have tried. But yeah, so what we just did today too is we basically got every product type covered that can be worn with the boner donor stuff, since as long as Netflix is pushing that Adam Sandler movie, then there's going to be
Sales.
eyeballs on. Yeah, and the thing is too, like it's only the 19th, like theoretically this could like really pick up in the next 6 to 7 days.
I agree. I think so
whenever
too.
people realize like, oh, it's Halloween, celebrate Halloween.
Watch a Halloween
pumpkins
movie.
and watch a movie, and Netflix has got the Adam Sandler one. Like we haven't even watched it yet, and we've been saying we're going to. Maybe tonight's the night. We can do that after this. But yeah, so these might pick up, and also I'm just thinking to myself like, I could maybe try. It'd almost be cheating, but since I have an old Amazon advertising account, I can, as long as these have the same brand name, which they do. Like this one doesn't. Whoops. But anyways, I can try running like a headline search ad, lump all these products together in the ad, and try to kind of cheat our way to the top of search results. Because if that does happen with however many tens of millions of people watching that movie, let's just say 10 million people watch it. Yeah. Everybody goes to Amazon.
Yeah, that's true. And if we do that, maybe we do a video on it. But from
well, that's
your
the thing.
channel,
I could cheat my way into. It's just maybe I wouldn't tell my channel. So the people that followed over to Marielle's channel would get rewarded. But it also wouldn't be that useful because you can't get that advertising account because it ended in like the way I was able to do it ended in like late 2018.
Okay.
But because I got in then, I can advertise any product on Amazon's catalog as long as the brand name's the same. I can do the headline search ads, which are like the you know what I'm talking about, the ones that what's like a brand of garlic press. It's usually the default go-to. You see at the top there?
I wouldn't have expected that to be the default. Yeah.
This one right here. So I can get your products to the top up there.
But we gotta up the price first.
Well,
I want a little bit, just a little
maybe
bit.
Maybe if you guys want me to do that, if you would like me to run that experiment,
comment below
and just say we'd love to see that. Because
yeah.
if it works, and because this is driving sales from a Netflix movie that a lot of people probably see, even though Netflix doesn't tell us about the actual statistics, but all they have to do is put that on the #1 trending in America today or whatever they do, and that's a wrap at that point. So
I'll let you have 41%.
Okay.
41%
of revenue.
Of everything.
Of profits. If you said revenue, you'd be losing money. All right, cool. So anything else?
Not that I can think of. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Make sure to click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notifications button, and comment below if you would like to see us try and do that sponsor-y magic stuff that he was
Headline search ad. They actually changed it to be called
search ad.
Sponsored Brands ad.
Oh, okay.
It's annoying how they changed the name because whatever.
But yes, so again, make sure to click the subscribe button, and thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's House.